Good morning, guys. This is how it is today. Yeah, it's color orange, pink, reddish something. The sun is going to rise on that side, and yeah, the color is having a reflection on the water. Very calm, also. Very quiet at the moment. You hear the sound of the birds. Okay, we go. Oh, there are many van in there. They are traveler. I saw them yesterday. Yeah, their van is like a room inside. Nice. And my duty today is 6 o'clock. When I left the house, it was 5:34. So maybe the time now is 5:41, something like that. Today is Sunday, so it's going to be busy around the area, especially that the weather today is really good. And later on, when I finish my duty around 2 o'clock, we'll be doing some pull-ups in there. I did yesterday, and I did around 35 pull-ups. And this is how it is here at the moment. Yeah, the sun is not showing yet. Yeah, very calm water. There is one water vehicle moving on that side. I saw one fish jump, and it's low tide. You see there are some what's that? Yeah, we'll see you later. Yo, good afternoon, guys. This is how it is at the moment. The time now is 2:28. Yeah, I just sign out and I come straight here. It is very windy at the moment. Sunny. Actually, it is hot, and the temperature is at 26 degrees centigrade. Yeah, the wind is just cool. It's not. I mean, the wind is not cold like some days. This time it is just right. Okay, we go. An eternal flame, say my name. Oh, there are many people here this time. Okay, we just stop here because as usual, we're going to do some pull-ups. That's it, I did 20. And you know, today my body is a little bit painful. Yeah, especially the front, the stomach and the chest area. Yeah, it's a little painful because I did 35 pull-ups yesterday. Yeah, but that's 10 10 5 5 5 like that, but it's still I force myself. But yeah, this pain is good. This is the cars that I've seen this morning. They are basically travelers. You'll notice they are travelers because of those carriage, those luggage that they have so much. The lovers just get away forever. Oh, look at this. This is a good spot. And this is how it is. There's so many people. That's more than 50 people in there. And even here, I see there are more than 50 people also. Tell me, have you ever really, loved a woman? So this is the situation here. Sometimes I go to the place like this. Yeah, you know, it's yeah, it's really good to stand by here, relax, stay and relax a little bit. But sitting on a bike is not really comfortable, and also not good for the bike stand. And that's why I am thinking of buying a foldable chair or stool where I can sit, yeah, anytime. That is you know, the stool that is fit on my backpack or here, where I can put anywhere, somewhere here. Yeah, I would like to have something like that. They don't have in Kmart. They have in the website, but they don't have in the physical store. An eternal flame, I believe it's meant to be. Okay, we are home and I am hungry. And what I am going to eat is the one that is coming from Michael. Yeah, the family that visited me yesterday. This one. I already ate half of this yesterday with rice. And it's really delicious. Yeah, Filipino. Okay, this is the one. This is pork. You're also going to have a Sprite. Oh, this straw is not plastic. It's like a paper. Yeah, it is now yeah, 5:37. Outside is still sunny. Still good to go to the beach. I'm going to cut my hair because tomorrow after my duty, we are going to Sydney. Me and Inigo. And then be back home, yeah, right after. Yo, finally we are now here in the car. It is not Inigo's car. We just borrowed it. We just borrowed it from Erikson.
Thank you, Erikson.
Yeah, this is the new car of Erikson. We arrived in Passpern station. We're going to leave the car there. This is the new car. It's from Erikson. Erikson got a new car, and now Inigo is going to get his new one. Yeah, today I finished at 2 o'clock and I go straight home. And yeah, it was very hectic because we need to go to Sydney, and we are now here in Passpern station. It's very hot today. The temperature is maybe, oh, the temperature is maybe 26 or yeah, 25 degrees. 30?
30, it's 30.
Yeah, 30 degrees. Oh, I miss using this. And we are now here in the train station. Yeah, I miss train station. There are no other people here except me and Inigo. It's very hot. Maybe it's 30 degrees. It's hot than Metro Manila. It's the same hot like if you are in Makati looking for a job. This is very quiet, very comfortable. I feel like buying something like this now.
Next stop, Dura Creek.
We just get down from the train and we are now in Hornsby. Hornsby is like the first part of the city. When you get down of the train, this is like the first stop in the city. Look at that, a series of railway, and that is the top of those trains. They are double-decker train, and you know the garbage bin here is like that. You can see what is inside.
Town hall, central and services.
You know, the temperature this time is similar to the temperature in Dubai and in Southeast Asia. This is the first time you see me wearing this t-shirt. Yeah, this is coming from Kasi and Droy. It is already 6:05 and most of this, I mean all the shops are closed already. But grocery still open. And you know, you never feel this temperature if you are in Nelson Bay and Port Stephen Bay area. Yeah, in here you feel like you are in the Middle East. It feels like Dubai. Yeah, the temperature. This is going to be the new car of Inigo. That's looks like me. Chef is preparing salad. At the moment we are in the shop of Kuya Ruel, and he's going to show us this kind of tablet.
Diagnostic tools.
It's diagnostic tools. Yeah, with all this kind of I don't know.
Connector.
Yeah, connector. This is the brand Autel. Kuya Ruel is a mechanic, so if you need the mechanic service, he can do it. So basically with this kind of tablet,
They can check the health of the engine. They can check the health of the engine.
it works only for the modern car.
No, even old car.
Huh? We are now in the new car of Inigo. Yo, we are now back here in Pasipern station, and as you can see in here, there are still many cars. Some people, they are leaving their car here, and then they go to Sydney or they go somewhere and they leave the car overnight in here. This seems like Inigo is going to leave his car here, and then we're going to take the car of Erikson going back to Nelson Bay. It's 1.5 hour coming from Sydney, and then another 1.5 hour to Nelson Bay.